Debbie Weintraub, and I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up card. We are going to make a pop-up card like this today. This is called a beak fold. The supplies you'll need, you might want to have a pencil. You will need some glue, some scissors, 2 pieces of nice construction paper, and markers. The first thing you're going to do is to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half, like this. Then you're going to fold it back like this. It's nice to use your thumbnail to make that crease. Then you're going to hold this side down firmly and you're going to pull and tear your card in half. Because for this card we only need this one piece. Put that aside. Now we're going to fold this card this way. Nice firm fold. We are going to take our scissors and we're going to cut about 2 inches into the folded side. Now we're going to fold this side at a right angle. And you fold it backwards and crease it again. Then we're going to fold this side at a right angle and fold it back again. Then we're going to open our card. We're going to push this top beak through like this. And we're going to fold it back. Then we're going to press this bottom beak in like this. We're going to fold it back. Then we're going to open our card.